Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about the transparency tool inside Corel. Very useful, I use it a couple times a day. When you open up your transparency, and you click on uniform transparency, you get a whole different window. And you can pick if you want to transparent all, which is already started doing it, if you want to do the whole subject, or if you just want to do the fill, you can make the fill transparent. Or if you just want to transparent the outline, you can make the outline. So much in a font, you could pick here, go ahead and grab the transparency tool, click on that, and we want to just do the center transparent and leave the red. You know, this would be a case where you'd want to maybe have something on let's take a color blue, put it to the back of the page, and see how that's kind of changed the whole look of the word. And let's move this. We're doing just the fill now, and let's bump it back down where it won't be quite so transparent. Well, for some reason, it looks like it's doing the whole thing. Let's back up here and let's just because I had that selected. Let's select the font and just do the fill. So you're changing, so it's turning to a green. Well, that maybe with the color I had, but you could kind of make it transparent where it's just barely blue there. And if we want to do the outline, it does it automatically, but you could take the outline away or add to it, just kind of soften it up. I don't do anything with printing, but that would be very useful if you could, do those things and make the outline a little more transparent. Basically, if you look at it that way and then you take this away, the outline's still there, but it just doesn't look like it is as much. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.